Hi there, students. Sylvan. Sylvan. Okay, this is an adjective. It could also be a noun, but most normally an adjective. It's belonging to the woods, having woods. So, the sylvan wonders of the countryside. Yeah, Sylvan with woods and trees. He lives in a very sylvan area. Okay, so Sylvan, this is a rather literary word. Pleasant, it's pleasant rural charm. I think firstly, Sylvan, directly it means woods, a wooded area, sylvan area. Yeah, a sylvan clearing in the forest. Yeah, a sylvan clearing, a clearing in the forest. But I think very often with a rural atmosphere. Yeah, something that is rustic and countryside and idyllic. Yeah, so people have this wonderful bucolic image of the sylvan countryside. Okay, bucolic, of the countryside. Okay, so sylvan. A sylvan as a noun could be a spirit that lives in the woods. Yeah. Okay, so the sylvan spirits were whispering to her. Yeah. You actually have a Sylvanus, or was the Roman god of the woodlands, the fields, and of sheep. Okay, and he's the Greek equivalent of Pan, but Sylvanus, yeah, is the Roman god Pan. Okay, so sylvan, associated with things that have woods, have forests. So I'm led to believe that Canada is a very sylvan country. Yeah. And then I think, yeah, we also use this word sylvan to say idyllically rural. Yeah, this get out of the smoke and into the sylvan areas of free nature. Yeah, of nature as it is. Okay, so yeah, a sylvan area located in the woods. I think there's a group of toys called Sylvanian families, and I think the idea of this sylvan belonging to the woods, animals from the woods. I think that's the idea of the name. Okay, so sylvan. Yeah, living in a wood. Yeah, living in within the trees. So the sylvan beauty of autumn leaves. Yeah, a wooded area, a sylvan area. Okay, so sylvan. Yeah, it's a place that has woods. It's related to the woods. Okay, formality. This is really quite a literary word. I wonder if everyone would know it. You'll probably find there are quite a lot of natives who don't know it, but it's quite a literary word. What am I going to give it? 7 in formality. Used in a semi-formal writing, in something poetic, in something very descriptive, something like that. Yeah, something that's related to trees. And as to origin, well, we've got Sylvanus in Latin, the Roman god of the woods, from silva in Latin, meaning a forest, which actually comes from Proto-Indo-European sel or swell, a frame or the threshold for something. Yeah. Okay, so sylvan, belonging to the forest, belonging to woodlands. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Sylvan.